make our pizza sauce now. I have onions here. I'll throw the onions into my blender. And I have tomatoes. Here I have carrots. These are optional, but it gives me a tweak to the pizza sauce. Add it into the blender. I have some garlic cloves also. I'll add it in. I'll blend this till it's very smooth. I'll add in a little oil into my pan. I'll bring in the tomato mix. I'll stir this in. I'll add in a little seasoning, a little salt, and a little curry powder. I'll add in oregano. I'll combine all this together and cook this for 10 minutes. This will intensify the flavors. This is 10 minutes and this has cooked well enough. Please check for your seasoning and salt to know if you need to adjust. I'll transfer this into a plate and I will allow it to cool.